So if I want a couple more buttons here, I'm just in copy and paste mode from this one. First of all, before I do it, I want to copy the line break, otherwise the buttons will appear next to one another and I want them on new lines. So I'm going to paste a break on the end of that line and then just copy the line. So I'm copying the whole of that line. I've got three images. I've got my Vorpal sword, I've got my jub bird, and I've got my toves. So I'm going to choose three more buttons and I'm going to change these. So let's put this one back to Vorpal. It matches that. This one is going to be toves. So this is the word on the button. And this one has got to be jub, the picture, jub. There we go, no space. And I need to change the name on the button to jub. There we go, that's nice. So now I've got four buttons. I've got one image called object, and each time I click on one of these buttons, it's going to look at the object and it's going to change the picture for whatever the source is. Okay, so hopefully that's going to work. So if I save the work and refresh, there you go, I've got my four buttons and I've got my, let's try the jub. There you go, we've got a jub bird, got a tove, and we've got a Vorpal sword. When I click drink me, we've got Alice in Wonderland. So quite a lot of interaction on my page already. One last thing I want to do before I start stripping out all of this code and putting it in a separate file, and I'll try and explain what is happening with this.